What's up, knife people? Back again with some more of these knives. Wanted to get into a quick unboxing for you guys today. As some clouds are rolling over us, rain clouds. Hopefully I get this on camera and it works out. So here's a quick unboxing for you guys. It might be a little double up unboxing. People were asking me about some slip joints, and I finally got here. This one's coming from Chicago Knives. It works. It cuts. This is the black bean, Black Fox bean. I opened this the other day. Got your usual suspects. This is the MANLY Wasp. There we go. Try to do a quick little video as fast as I can. Make sure the rain don't get us. Should have checked the weather first, but here it is. What a nice knife. One of my first small collection of slip joints. Wow, that is crazy stiff. Woo! You can see my greasy ass fingers. So there she is, the MANLY Wasp. Clean that off here. That took like 3 or 4 pulls. It's a lot of work to get that blade out. So real quick, I got a couple specs for this knife. It is a 12C27 steel. It has a closed length. They have it at 3.88 inches, and the blade of 2.8 inches. Sorry about that. So yeah, this blade is going to show a lot of wear. Obviously 2.8 inches of cutting. So here we go. There goes the drops. No, it's like a little dot of might be rust already on there. See that? So here we go. Nice flat grind. Nice little logo there. G10. We have pocket clip. Ambidextrous. I'm sure you can flip it. I like how it deep carry. See a couple machining marks on there. So you can tell quality wise is going to be a bit more ruggedly made. Milled liners in there. Not the greatest fit and finish, but nevertheless, this is more of a work knife. Again, see that? More spots of rust or dirty place. Yeah. So quality for 50 bucks, you're not getting stupendous quality. Even the writing is a bit faded out. See, the rain's coming. Wanted to show you guys a couple other slip joints I got. I don't have many. I got this one little grafting knife that I got a long time ago. Rarely ever use it, but this is a Victorinox little hawkbill. Of course, you've probably seen this in a couple videos. I have the Tinker, I believe it's called. So this is another knife. Here, and what else I got here? I found this in my old box that I had, like a tool box, and this was in there. So if any of you guys have seen this knife, it's a colonial stainless steel, I guess it's a hobo knife. If anybody's seen this, let me know. I've had this for like years and years and years. I don't even know how long I've had it, but again, another slip joint. really cool. Yeah. So I got that one. And for size wise, I got the Delic out here to compare to this MANLY. A couple drops on there. So we'll compare the Delica. And then I got this one that I opened a couple days ago. Doing real well too. I like this one. It's not a slip joint, but thumb opener, liner lock, but kind of fits the non-fidget play type knife. Kind of getting used to these different type of knives. So here's a quick little comparison to that. So again, it's right under the 7-inch mark. Pretty cool. Nice sizing. So very good for EDC carry. I wanted to put this one in my grab bag, but didn't make it on time, but I don't think nobody really wants it anyways. So I'm gonna be using this for work. I think it'll come in pretty handy. Nice flat grind there. See that? Machining. Sweet. Pretty simple knife, but to the point. Put that back here. Let's compare it to what else here? Ooh, I got this. Might as well open this. And you know what would be good to do? I'm gonna do a cut test. I always seem to forget my cut test. Let's see what this is like out of the box. Looks like a good slicer. Let's see how they deliver. Wow, very nice. Nice clean cut. Let's go over here. Oh, feel the wind coming. So, wow, very nice. Look at that, went across the whole paper. Woo. Wow, that is a slicer. Look at that. Woo. Now that's a slicer, baby. Wow. Look at that. That's a good knife. Very nice geometry. Look at that. Very sweet. I like it. So, cut test is looking good out of the box. Let's get this guy going. This one came from Mass Drop. I was gonna wait to open it, but kind of fits the bill here. So, in action. Nice. This. Why it's open, that I don't know. This is how I got it, guys. Literally. Wow. That's not cool, but whatever. This is what it is. It's a Pioneer Victorinox. It would have been a limited edition Alox. So there, sneak peek. Someone did it for us. Okay, that's not coming out. Here we go. So that's what was in there. You get this here, limited edition, 2019. Pause it, check it out if you guys want to check it out. So this is what's in here. Another slip joint, kind of add to the collection. This is more my son's knife, so I don't really use that too much. I wanted one of my own, so figured I'd get this one. Saw it the other day on Mass Drop. Looked pretty cool, so Here we go. Nice blade. Check that out. Sweet. So I'll do another quick video on this later maybe. But wanted to give you guys a quick little peek at what's in here. Got your screwdriver. You got your, what is that, another screwdriver and probably can opener. Then you have an awl of some sort. Okay. Nice little blade. The rain's coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a little short. I'll do a quick little size comparison with that, the MANLY. See how it all works out. Here we go. Sorry here. It's kind of shiny here. Let's see here. I'll do it this way better. You got it right there. A little smaller than that. So probably a little under 7-inch knife. Don't have the numbers for it. And then you have your Delica. So a little smaller than the Delica. And that's it, guys. We're gonna have some rain coming, so I'm gonna end it there. There's Alox and there's MANLY Wasp. New knives to the collection, and I'll give you some updates later on them. That's all I got for you guys. This is still kicking and doing pretty good. Like the action, so really cool knife too. Started to like it. So getting used to all these slip joints, and that's all I got, guys. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys like it, you know what to do. Thumb it up. Bam. There it is. Bam. Later, guys.